Well, to get more on this, we have been joined by DD India correspondent Akshay Dongre. Akshay, India abstained in the UN General Assembly on a draft resolution on Islamophobia. Tell us about it. What's the entire matter?
Well, to mark the International Day to Combat Islamophobia, Pakistan introduced a draft resolution to combat Islamophobia, and in fact requested the United Nations General Assembly to establish the post of a special envoy against Islamophobia. This draft resolution was in fact co-sponsored by China and by OIC as well. So the position that India has taken as far as the United Nations General Assembly is not in support of this draft resolution. And it's not against it either. So it abstained along with 43 other countries. There were 115 votes in favor of the draft resolution, 44 votes against, 44 votes as absentees, and there were no votes against the draft resolution. So as far as the resolution is concerned, it was passed in the 193 member General Assembly. So as far as the resolution is concerned, it was only talking about one religion. It was only talking about one religion, especially by a country. The problem with the resolution also was the fact that Pakistan was the country that introduced this resolution as far as talking about persecution against minorities are concerned, but when its own track record as far as the minorities, the Hindu minorities, the Sikh minorities, the Buddhist minorities are concerned, it has been tainted by several such incidents. In fact, the co-sponsored China itself has huge history of discrimination against Uyghur population of Xinjiang province, where there have been reports against China. Then China has been systematically discriminating against the Muslims of the region on basis of their religion. So that was the draft resolution, and India abstained from this particular voting that took place.
Definitely. Now, Akshay, could you tell us the main reason why India abstained?
Well, to understand India's position as far as this draft resolution is concerned, we have to understand the kind of religious fabric India has. India has one of the highest Muslim population in the world. It has definitely the largest Hindu population. It has Sikh population. It has population of people who are Persians who left Persia and they settled in Iran, settled in India. There are Jews that live in India. There are Sikhs. There are Buddhists. There are Jains. So as far as talking about a religious minorities is concerned, India's position was very consistent. It said that why are we only talking about one religion? Okay. In fact, India, when trying to prove its point, it said that we are against Islamophobia, we are against religiophobia, we are against Christian phobia, we are against anti-Semitism. In fact, whenever there is discrimination against any kind of minority or whenever there is any kind of religion phobia, India stands in solidarity with the minorities. In fact, India stands in favor of those minority communities around the world, and not just one religion should be talked about. In fact, the United Nations General Assembly should have been about all the minorities around the world should be protected as far as this kind of religiophobia is concerned, Siddharth.
Well, thanks for that analysis, Akshay, and thanks for joining in.